Hey everybody, welcome back to the Underground Lair. We have my Vic Paul. It's a kit guitar from Solo Guitars in Ontario, Canada. It's their take on a Les Paul special. So let's take a little better look at this thing. We have Solo locking tuners. I'm not sure what the brand name is on that. We have Goto Stoptail, which is over there, and Tune-O-Matic Bridge. We have Seymour Duncan Fat Cat P90s in a humbucker sized pickup. Let's see here. Switchcraft switch and output jack, CTS 500K pots, Dunlop strap locks, can't speak. And Jesse Howard made this for me. He's on Facebook if you want custom guitar stuff, wiring and pickup or pick guards. He does that. Jesse Howard. Can't remember where he's at. I think he's in Tennessee. Oh, and the nut is a graphite nut from Carvin. Believe it or not. I had a Carvin, if you recall, go back in my channel about 3 years. I had a Carvin Bolt 2, I think is the model number. I can't remember the model number. Mike Wagner, if you see this video, tell everybody what Carvin I had. Anyhow, I bought it as a finished kit. I had to disassemble it. I got it at a really good price. Somebody glued the bolt-on neck into the cavity, or the neck pocket, and they use heat to get that apart. And then we stripped the paint off. It was all, I think they just did it, it was ash. They did it in True Oil. It was just a mess. It was all gooped up and runny and stuff like that. Turned out to be a really good guitar. Did not care for the Kiesel lithium pickups that were in it. So it moved on down the road, found another owner. But it was a fun project. Anyhow, I ordered a couple of, I have a customer who has a Kiesel or a Carvin, and he needed a new nut, so I just bought a couple while they were still selling parts. And when I got this kit, the nut was plastic, and I wonder, and sure enough, the Carvin had the same string spacing as this, and the same, it matched the graphite nut matched. So I'm like, that's cool. So I just popped that on there instead. So we got our fingerboard oil, we got our frets polished. There's no overhang to that. Let's take that screw out because I have a feeling that we are going to adjust a truss rod. I don't play this very often. The frets got really grungy from just sitting. Take our 10 mil and just, yeah, those got a little bit loose. Just snug these up. tuner bushings. Don't want to crank them, just snug them. Alright, I'm going to load the strings into the stop bar. Lightweight. Okie dokie, folks. We're going to go ahead and string this up. And you may ask yourself, if you have yourself a Les Paul style guitar, how do you get your stop bar to stay here if it's on Epiphone that has the little locking tabs on it? Well, use one of those old school, high school pink erasers. Just jam it in there and use some low tack painter's tape and just stick that there. And then with your, how do you string up a locking tuner? Well, I put all the tuner slots, or tuner, not slots, the tuner holes at 12 and 6. And line them up 12 to 6 like I just said. Like so. And I put the string through, and string of the day is, we're using come on, get through there. Gotta have them unlocked. We're going to use 1046. Lay them in the saddle. Put them in the right saddle. Pull them taut. Lock them down. And tune it up. That's how you do that. And you do that 6 more times, or 5 more times. 6 more if it's 7 string. Holding it 17th, I like to see about 10. Oh, we're about there. We can tighten that truss rod just a little bit. Takes a 4 mil. Find a hole here. They do give you on this kit there we go, a 2-way truss rod. Believe it or not. Come on, you can do it. Pop this out of the slot. That should do it. A little bit more nut sauce. Also use this $35 Tune-O-Matic tool to make sure it's a gauge, to make sure that your strings are not, make sure your strings are slipping under your, there we go. There's a gap between your strings and the back of your bridge. Let's see what this is a 24 3/4 scale, just like a Gibson would have. We went 5/64. at the 12th fret. Got that. And we want 3/64. And we got that. So everything's back to where it should be. Let's double check that relief. Capo at the first. And holding at the body joint, 17th fret, 7th fret. Oh yeah, there we go. It's definitely doing it now. Might have to come back tomorrow and release that, but if only I wouldn't have touched that wheel. Hopefully our installation didn't change any. Nope. 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 I guess I didn't hit it. Everything is right where I left it. Okay, cool beans. We'll check the pickup height. Shouldn't have changed. Let's see here. 3:30 seconds on. Oh, that's going to go down. $3:32 on the bass side. That's better, and that's still right. And 1/16 on treble. That's good. That's unchanged. Pretty guitar, don't you think? Anyhow, thanks for watching. If you live in the greater Pittsburgh area and you need a guitar tech to take care of your stuff, I'm not going to charge you out the wazoo, get you a good turnaround time, good, send me a PM on the Facebooks, or you can go to stringmanguitars.com and we'll get you in here. Come on, you can do it. There we go. Always do your screws backwards before you put them in. That way it'll line up with your threads so you don't go screwing up your thread holes. Your thread holes. Anyhow, thank you for watching. Please hit the like, subscribe, and the bell. I'd love you for a long time. Take care of the old folks because they're special. Love your neighbor like you love yourself. And always, always, always take care of yourself. Peace. Have a good rest of your weekend.